Kane's 21st birthday. He wanted to give back to the community around the holiday season and donate some toys to kids in need. We picked some of the local charities in and around Chicago to give toys to from guests who brought them tonight to the event.
First of all, I came out here to be with Patrick Kane and the rest of the Blackhawk group. But I think anytime you can help the youth of a city, because they're our future leaders. And anytime you can do that, I'm all for it. And I commend Patrick, I commend the Blackhawks, and anyone involved here to help these youngsters out, bringing them a toy here and a toy there.
You know, it's the holiday season, so I think the kids are the greatest fans to help them out, do something like this. I helped out in Buffalo the other day, gave a certain amount of money to Western New York Food Bank, and to do something in Chicago, Toys for Tots, it helps and it's fun too.
You know, his play on the ice has been excellent, but to see him putting something like this together just shows that although he's still young, he's kind of growing up a little bit right in front of our eyes. And
yeah, just here to support Kaner, and this event is for a good cause. So I thought it was a no-brainer to show up and show him the support.
Happy birthday,